What's up and welcome back to today's video where we are going to be unboxing 3 BOXYCHARM boxes. We got our base, our premium, and our Boxyluxe. I decided to hold off on filming my video and just doing it all in one big unboxing, so that is why it's taken a few days later than most of these unboxings. I just wanted to make sure that I had all 3 boxes this time. I will have timestamps for you guys down below in the comments. I'll go ahead and pin it so that way if you guys want to check out one box or another, you guys know where to go. And as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below if you guys are new to my channel, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Let's get diving right into this. Start off with the BOXYCHARM base box, and I really don't know the theme or anything, but I do know that Charlotte Tilbury is featured in this month's BOXYCHARM because it's one of my choices that I picked. So I'm very excited to get a foundation that I know works so well on my skin. I'm actually wearing it today. That's how much I love this foundation. But this month's theme is called Game Changer. And then on the back side, we have all the information. So the first thing I see here is by Aceology. This is the Aceology Detoxifying Treatment. Next thing I have here is by Coconut and Fig. This is the hair mask. And this here you can use twice a week, 1 to 2 times a week, and you leave on for 10 minutes. I have been obsessed with hair masks lately, and I think it's because my hair is so dry. I don't know if maybe it's just the weather. I'm sure it is, and the dryness right now. My hair is just sucking up any moisture I give it. But yes, I definitely could also probably use a trim. So this does retail for $16.95. Next up I see here is the Appeal Ultra Cream Liquid Lipstick. I have the shade Muse in it. That is pink. That is a bright pink right there. And this also retails for $21. I think I've used their gloss before, like a high shine gloss. It was good. I also do have the Earth Arbor Nymph Nectar. I believe this is like a balm. It's a Superfruit Radiance Balm, and this retails for $38. It's supposed to give you dewy skin. Mine's dried out. Maybe the formula is supposed to be like this, but I don't know if you can tell, but it looks like you can see that mine like looks like it's dried out. Oh, okay. When I go to like push it into the skin, it does. Oh man, that smells so good. I don't really care for anything that's going to make my face super dewy because I do have oily skin already. Maybe I can find somebody that would use this. And then the last thing I see here is a book, and this is by Ofra Cosmetics. This is the Charm Your Cheeks Mini Mix Palette. Look at those beautiful colors. Don't mind my nails. I have to get them done. Here's them all swatched on the back of my hand, but this one right here, it's that very light baby pink shade, which I know for a fact will not work on my skin tone. It's this one right here, but I feel like the rest of them will, especially like these down here. These are all definitely colors that I would use in a heartbeat. So that is what we got inside our BOXYCHARM. We are going to move into the premium. I might actually try this tonight. I'm like still reading up on this Aceology mask. This one you're supposed to actually leave on for 20 to 30 minutes. Or until fully dry, and then you kind of peel it off. I'm kind of like digging the idea of long-term masks. Like there are times where like I'll put a mask on and I'll purposely find a mask that is a long, like you leave it on for a while because I don't want to like, I want to sit down, I want to have like a glass of wine, I want to watch a show and not have to like worry having to get up like halfway through the show and like go and take off my mask. So much for that one. So we are moving on to the premium box. Same theme. Stuff on the back of the card. We'll go ahead and hold on to that so we can go over how much everything is. And the first thing I see is the Charlotte Tilbury foundation. So I have the shade 7.5, and I will show you mine because I keep it in my everyday drawer. This is mine right here, and this is my second one. Incredible, you guys. It took me a long time to get on the bandwagon with it, but I love it. It is like a full coverage foundation, but it doesn't feel super heavy. I put mine on early this morning. I wear mine to work, and it'll last me all 8 hours. I don't have to retouch. It is a matte finish, although I personally have noticed that even though it's a matte finish, I still have to set mine. So I do use a little bit of translucent powder. So if you're getting this, I'm very excited for you because it's so good. I forgot to tell you. So this foundation does retail for $44. Totally worth the price of the box. Next up we have is this box by Grace and Stella. These are some eye masks. I have received this before in my box, and these retail for $24, and you get a pair, you get 12 pairs in here is what it says. This box looks familiar. Oh, it is. So this is by One Size, and this is the Ultimate Setting Powder, and I have the shade Translucent. And I want to say that I did get something from this brand, but I just don't remember, and I cannot pinpoint off the top of my head what it would be. So I'm going to go and say that this is probably the first product that I've actually used from this line. And when it comes to setting powder, I have a feeling this stuff is going to be phenomenal. So this is a 14-hour long blurring setting powder made for a light bake to a heavy cake. Soft matte finish with no flashback. All right, next up we have is by Ciate, and this is the Dewy Skin Vitamin C Glass Glow Primer. This here retails for $32, and you can prep your skin for a flawless dewy makeup application. I feel like this is probably not gonna work for me, given what I just read. I don't see that this will work for me. Next up is this right here. This is by Aether Beauty, and this is the Big Bang. This looks like a mascara. I like the wand. I love the more fluffier wands. So I will actually just put this right here in my everyday drawer so I can use that really quickly. And then the last thing I have here is by The New. And this is a vitamin C, AHH, and HA, and it's called The Pill. Everything your skin needs in a single dose. What? This is a topical supplement. Apply 2 pumps to the face after cleansing and allow 1 to 2 minutes to absorb. This sounds really cool, actually. Ooh. Oh, I don't like the smell. I don't like the smell. So that one retails for $85. Holy cow. So that is everything we got inside this box. We are now moving on to the very last box, which is this Big Bang right here. This is the Boxyluxe. I always get super excited about Boxyluxes. I already see something I'm super excited about. Okay, so this is the Natasha Denona Cupid palette. Oh, this is gorgeous. I don't know why for an instant there I was like, I don't know if I'm going to use it. Like the other one that had that yellow and black. Like I used it once or twice, and then after that I never used it again. But you guys, look at this. Look at how gorgeous this is. This is a palette I will travel with. I absolutely love these colors. Like, holy moly. And of course, the freaking formula. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, next up is the Iconic London Multi-Use Sculpting Palette. Oh, what did that... Okay, so the Cupid palette by Natasha Denona, that retailed for $48. I feel like if I was going to use any of the shades, it would probably be this one. Oh, that's creamy. That is super creamy. Those are nice. So that has 6 sculpting thingamabobbers. It's the multi-use sculpting palette, and it retails for $49. I'm your dream cream with a double shot of coffee with a little butt cheek on it. Look at that. I love the packaging of this. The product is right inside there. Quite frankly, this is a lot of product. And for, oh yeah. This reminds me of like tanning. Right now I use Boom Boom cream. It's what I've always used. And I love it. Like you guys know, if you guys watch my like hauls and stuff, I order Boom Boom cream like crazy. I have their like little mister, I have their body lotion and everything. But this is nice. I'm gonna use that for sure. I also do have the Stay Calm Soothing Sheet Mask. It says give them la la, aloe infused, and you get 4 of them. And this is $30. Next up is a hairbrush. Looks like this. Let's brush out. I actually need to brush out my hair, so let's do it now. Okay. Honestly, when it comes to hairbrushes, I never really know like what to expect, except using them the first time always makes me excited because it's like fresh and new. I just use a wet hairbrush in case you guys were wondering. Looks good. It's a hairbrush. All right. Next thing I have is the Liquid Glass Miracle Smoothing Sealant. Ooh, hair stuff. I love it. Leaves a super glossy, silky finish without weighing the hair down. Do not apply any other pre-styling products for best results. Okay, so if I use this, I can't use anything with it. So this would be like the only thing I could use in the damp portion when I do my hair. Well, that sucks because I have a lot of other products I like. And this retails for $34. It retails for $34. second to last one that I have is by Ren Clean Skincare. This is the Brightening Dark Circle Eye Cream, and here you have it. Let me talk to you guys about something really quickly, because you guys know I love eye creams. I have always, let me grab it really quick. I have always been a fan of Algenist. You guys know that. It's my ride or die eye cream. But we got this last month, and this is by Saturday Skin. This is the, what is it called? Vitamin C Bright Eye Cream. Holy cow. I know this is like not even part of this box, but I had to mention this because I'm going to talk about this in my other video. But I had to mention this because this stuff is good. Like, it's thick, it's balmy, I love it. As far as Ren skincare goes, I have to use their day cream. Like, I think we got a daily moisturizer. Really good. I liked it because it didn't like irritate my skin at all, and it just seemed simple and there was nothing crazy to it. Last item I have is by Lauder. This is the Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Line Smoothing Gloss. Hell yeah, I'm gonna try it. And this is in Rosy Outlook. It looks like this. And this retails for $25, and it is a clinically proven lip plumping treatment. Is it me, or do my lips look shiny? My lips look good. But we're gonna move on and finish up with this box, and I'll let you guys know if I feel anything different, but I mean, I feel like my lips look good. I think I forgot to tell you guys that the hairbrush retails for $34.99, and the eye cream from Ren retails for $49, and then this gloss retails for $25. Let's rate our boxes really quickly. I have to say my least favorite box of all three boxes would probably have to be the BOXYCHARM. Like the original base box, that can go. I mean, it's good, don't get me wrong, but it's not as good as the other two. I'm having a little bit of a toss-up moment between the premium and then the Boxyluxe because I love the foundation, and the fact that I got another foundation sounds amazing. But I also love the eyeshadow palette in the Boxyluxe, and that eyeshadow palette, like every single color in there is perfection. I'm probably gonna have to say Boxyluxe. I know. I'm gonna have to say Boxyluxe this time because not only did I get this eyeshadow palette, but I'm really excited about this little coffee lotion thing inside of a coffee cup, and this. Like, the products in here are just phenomenal. Oh, and the Lawless lip gloss, like, I don't feel anything going on yet, but I don't know, the clear gloss just, I'm living for the clear gloss right now. So I think it's gonna go Boxyluxe, premium, then base box. Now, all three boxes were great, so if you're getting one, there are good products in every single box. So it's not like you're getting a dud with any of the boxes. You guys let me know down below what you guys are supposed to be getting. What did you pick out for your choice? And or did you leave it as like a mystery? Also, make sure to hit that subscribe button before you head out. If you guys haven't seen any of my newest videos, they are right here. Thank you again so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.